Ever thought to yourself, why is laundry detergent such a hassle? Look, I know you've been there, struggling with those bulky detergent bottles, spilling soap everywhere, or battling stains that just don't seem to budge. Well, it's time to throw all that out the window. Let me tell you about Earthwash laundry detergent sheets, your lightweight, mess-free solution that's gonna have you asking, where has this been all my life? Earthwash is a powerful laundry detergent, minus the weight, the spills, and the waste. These pre-measured sheets pack all the cleaning power you need in one little strip. Just toss it in the washer and boom, you're done. Let's talk about the why. First, no more heavy jugs. Earthwash sheets are as light as a feather, perfect for travel, and no more lugging around those 10-pound bottles. These sheets are hypoallergenic too, so if you've got sensitive skin like me, this is your new best friend. Plus, Earthwash is eco-friendly, no more plastic waste. Y'all, we're helping the planet while keeping your clothes fresh. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 that you grab a sheet, toss it in the wash, hot, cold, doesn't matter, let the magic happen. And your clothes come out smelling fresh with their subtle ocean breeze scent. Just one sheet handles a whole load, and if you're washing light, you can even split one in half. Oh, and for my eco-conscious folks, you're using something that's biodegradable, which means you're doing good for the earth while doing laundry. Now that's a win-win whether you're a busy parent, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves convenience. Earthwash is going to simplify your laundry routine and take the headache out of the equation. Less mess, no measuring, and totally guilt-free.